Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. Please, if you are a new person here, consider subscribing, and if you have been following this channel and you've not subscribed yet, check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It's just for you to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please, if you love this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Share also your thoughts. I'm here to learn from you, and I believe a lot of other people too will also love to learn from you. Alright guys, I've stressed myself a little bit lately, but what better way can I use to pamper my skin other than the cucumber and yogurt face mask, and learn how to also pamper your skin. First of all, I'm going to carefully wash the cucumber. You may decide to peel it if you like, but I prefer doing my own like this. Cucumber has unique and natural ingredients that moisturize, soften, smooth, clean the skin, and reduces puffiness. They are naturally good for oily and dry skin or sunburned skin. Yogurt, in conjunction with the cooling properties of cucumber, becomes very pleasant for tired skin and makes the perfect refreshing. I will recommend you use a yogurt without preservative. This is gonna make your skin sparkle with freshness. After applying this mixture, allow it stay for 25 minutes before rinsing off. What other better way to pamper your skin other than using yogurt and cucumber face masks? Alright beautiful people, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing video. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.